Yo, what's up world? So today let's talk about 10 terminal commands I use every day as a full stack developer. My name is Pavin Kiptok. In this channel I try and inspire more people into tech, and I'm really glad you've decided to spend some of your time with me. So let's jump right into it. I know most of us, we all know this if we use Linux, and that is change directory, CD. That means that I am navigating to another directory. Let's say most of my projects I usually store in a folder called all projects, and then from there it's divided into different sections. On my desktop I go from CD, all projects, then from there CD, it changes the directory to the directory you want. The next one is ls. These are Linux commands. Ls is for list. It lists down the content of that directory. Let's say in my all projects directory I write ls, it will show all files and directories in that folder. The other one is mkdir. In full, it's make directory. It is used to make the directories inside the Linux file system. You'll have to read about Linux file systems, or I'll plan a tutorial I'll be doing this. The other one is a path variable. So when I want to get into my VS Code, I usually type code on my terminal, and it takes me to my VS Code. The next one is npm install, and those other ones, these are language specific. Let's say I'm using JavaScript. I'm really in love with JavaScript. I'm sure you all know this. So let's say like I'm using JavaScript React. I will install the packages with npm install. I will run the project with npm start, npm run build, etc. The other one is sudo apt-get update and upgrade, because I use Debian when I want to install like dependencies in my computer. I use those. Another one is npx create react app, npx create expo app, npx create next app. These are commands that I use every day to initialize projects. If it's a React app, if it's a React Native app, or a Next.js app. Another one is npm uninstall. This I use to uninstall node modules or dependencies in a project that I no longer want to use. And the next one are the git commands: git init, git add, git commit, git status. Yeah, those git commands that I use to push my projects to my GitHub account every day. And finally, these are the Firebase commands, like Firebase init, Firebase deploy, Firebase login. When I want to deploy my Firebase projects, or to initialize or use Firebase or Firestore in my projects. So guys, see you in the next video. Turn on post notifications and share with a friend who might find this valuable. Make sure to check out the rest of the videos somewhere. Yeah.